YouTube channel. My name's Ray. Today we're going to cook a chicken and onion bell pepper in brown sauce. But before we start, I'd like just to say a few things. I started this channel about 5 days ago, and in 5 days I've got 26 subscribers. I would like to thank all of you, 26, and many more to come hopefully, for supporting me on a hobby that I do. I am not a chef, I've never been a chef, it's just that I like Chinese food, and decided to about a year ago start cooking my own Chinese. Here living in Germany we don't get many Chinese, well, we don't get any Chinese takeaways, so like I say, it's best thing is to do it yourself. We do have a local Chinese restaurant that we go to, and we have a local Asian shop that I must say I went to today, and I have been given a discount on my purchases from him in future, so he is supporting me as well, which I'm very grateful for. I'd just like to say that before we start on this dish. So I've heated up my pan. So now back to the cooking part. I've heated up my pan. I'm going to add in some oil. Again, this is nice and hot, so let's chuck in. I've got some chicken here that I velveted the normal way with a few ingredients. So let's get this into our hot pan. First of all, just going to make sure that it separates. I've got some bell peppers here as well with some onions. It's going in a bit. I also have some garlic, some MSG, bit of sugar, never heard, my potato starch. Wait a minute, let me just get this moved around a bit here. And my brown sauce that I made yesterday. That will do. Let's get the vegetables in. Very nice. Turn the temperature up a bit. Try and keep it in the pan. Going to add in some garlic, about a teaspoonful. Nice. Again, trying to keep it all in the pan. Keep moving around. That will do. Then I add some MSG. I don't want to put too much in there because I've already got it in my brown sauce. Add in the sugar. Now we'll turn the heat down before we put the sauce in. I've got 150 ml of brown sauce here that I made yesterday. I made about a litre of it. So we'll add this in just round the top. Turn the heat up again. Oh, that's looking good. Now we're going to reduce it down a little bit because there's far too much sauce in there. Reduce that down. Get myself a dish. Got one of these dishes here, or a bowl. Very nice. Yeah, I made the brown sauce yesterday actually. It's a recipe I got from the internet. I made about a litre of it. So, and the thing about the brown sauce is you can use it for a lot of recipes. Like you could use fried mushrooms and you put some brown sauce in, string beans or green beans, broad beans or whatever you like to call them. Comes off which part of the world you live in. In America they're called string beans, I think. Yep, and another dish that I saw recently when I was at my Chinese restaurant was a beef and onion, which is the same brown sauce. So really it's just the sauce, is the sauce and then the ingredients that you put in. I think this is okay. We're going to add now bit of our potato starch. We don't want too much of this stuff, you know what it's like, I've told you more than once before. We don't want any wallpaper glue, do we? So we'll start off with a bit. That could really be enough, so let's give that a go. Move it around. Oh yes, oh yes. I just hope it tastes as good as it looks. That looks really good. I'm happy with that. I have got some oil here to put in, but I don't think I need it. It looks just about right. Let's turn the heat off. Get our plate or our dish. That looks absolutely brilliant. I'm very happy with that. I really am. And having the chicken velveted overnight, that chicken should be really nice and soft to eat. And like I say, people, do subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit a thousand subscribers. I don't want any more than that. That's fine for me. I don't want 2 million or 3 million, but if it gets that far, okay. Just need about 1,000, and hope you people subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing 2 videos a week of Chinese takeaway recipes. Like I say, this one is chicken with bell pepper and onion in brown sauce, and it just looks really amazing. It just looks like I've got it from the Chinese takeaway. Absolutely fantastic it looks like. Okay people, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, and if you have any comments just leave them down below, and I do read them, but I haven't got any so far, so be the first to write in below your remarks and see if you do like the look of it as much as I do. Okay then people, thank you very, very, very much for watching, and I should see you in the next one. Thank you, goodbye.